I'm going to walk you through the 7 most expensive mistakes first-time buyers make, because most people only discover them after they've already signed. In fact, these mistakes can cost you up to $10,000 or more. This video is for first-time home buyers who want to avoid costly mistakes and navigate the home buying process with confidence. You will learn how to avoid paying too much for your home, how to navigate the home buying process, and what to expect from the inspection process. What is the most common mistake first-time home buyers make? The most common mistake first-time home buyers make is not checking their credit scores before applying for a mortgage. This can lead to higher interest rates and monthly payments, costing you around $500 per year or $15,000 over the life of the loan. How can I avoid paying too much for my home? To avoid paying too much for your home, make sure to get pre-approved for a mortgage and inspect the property before making an offer. This can save you around 5 to 10% of the purchase price, which is $15,000 to $30,000 on a $300,000 home. What is the importance of inspecting the property? Inspecting the property can reveal hidden issues such as termite damage or foundation problems, which can cost you around $5,000 to $10,000 to repair. Make sure to hire a professional inspector and factor in the cost of repairs when making an offer. How can I negotiate the price of the home? To negotiate the price of the home, make sure to research the market value of the property and make a reasonable offer. You can also ask the seller to cover some of the closing costs, which can save you around 2 to 5% of the purchase price, or $6,000 to $15,000 on a $300,000 home. What are some other common mistakes first-time home buyers make? Other common mistakes first-time home buyers make include not budgeting for closing costs, not researching the neighborhood, and not reading the fine print on their mortgage contract. These mistakes can cost you around $2,000 to $5,000 or more, and can be avoided by doing your research and seeking professional advice. How can I avoid these mistakes as a first-time home buyer? To avoid these mistakes as a first-time home buyer, make sure to educate yourself on the home buying process, seek professional advice, and take your time when making an offer. Consider working with a real estate agent who has experience working with first-time home buyers, and don't be afraid to ask questions or seek a second opinion. What are the benefits of working with a real estate agent? Working with a real estate agent can provide you with valuable guidance and support throughout the home buying process. They can help you navigate the market, find the right property, and avoid costly mistakes. In fact, a study found that homeowners who worked with a real estate agent saved an average of $10,000 to $20,000 on their home purchase. To avoid these costly mistakes and navigate the home buying process with confidence, click the link below to download our free first-time home buyer checklist and start your journey to homeownership today.